Getting hearing aids of recent has helped me become more involved in the activities that I love to do, such as gardening, cycling, walking, bird watching. The environmental sounds are incredibly acute and natural. Listening to birds is amazing. Hummingbirds, they have that flutter, and I can hear them coming toward my feeder versus waiting to see them and then recognizing that they're there. And I think for the first time since I've had hearing aids over the last 10 years, I feel normal. I feel like I can engage more comfortably with the activities that I love to do.